Okay guys, for New Year's Day for dinner we had Italian beef sandwiches. Normally we buy the meat, clean it up, and you make everything from scratch. We were so tired from cooking over the Christmas holiday. We bought 4 of these Italian style gravy and seasoned sliced beef canisters. So as you can see here, see if I can give you a close-up here. Now these are really good. We were able to get them on sale. I'll tell you how much we paid for them. Hold on. Let's see. So we ended up paying $29.98 times 2. We got one for, we got 2 for $29.98, and then we got 2 for $27.98. So we were able to save a decent amount of money. Now, I've already showed you the Italian beef sandwiches we made for New Year's. Now there was a lot of gravy left over. So wait until you see what we made with the gravy. I'll be back. Okay, today guys, I am making some pork chop smothered in gravy with some rice and vegetables on the side. I'm going to use my Aroma rice cooker to cook the rice, and I'm also using some of the au jus gravy from the Italian beef that we had for New Year's dinner to flavor the rice. I'm going to make 2 cups of rice, and I'm using the brown rice here. It doesn't matter what company. This is a diabetic friendly meal. So I am adding, oh my gosh, I did not bring the scissors. So I'm just going to pour this in here and make sure that it is at 2 cups. Normally I use a measuring cup, but I have au jus gravy in a measuring cup, so I am going to just pour it in. Okay, now let me show you what it looks like. So it's at the 2 cup mark. Now I'm going to pour in the 2 cups of au jus gravy, and I am going to add this whole bag of Norman, what is this? No, Caribbean blend. I get this from Gordon's food store. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this into the rice cooker, and I'm going to cook it all together. Oh gosh. Huh. Put it all in here. The good thing about this rice cooker is that you can also use it to make one-pot meals. It saves a lot of time, and it does the cooking itself. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Oh gosh, I got vegetable remnants everywhere, guys. So we're gonna get this up. There we go. Here. Okay. Now this is what it looks like. I got everything in the pot. Yeah, guys, this is going to be a quick video, fairly easy dinner to make. And it's going to be fast. Okay, so now I'm going to set the rice cooker. Let's turn it on. And we're going to set it to brown rice. And let it do its thing. So as you can see, the tracing lines means that it is the Aroma rice cooker is preheating, and then once it starts cooking, it only takes about 10 minutes, and then it'll do a countdown. But I'm not going to bore you with letting you watch all this going on as far as the countdown and everything. My husband is downstairs. My husband trimmed off the fat and took the bone out, and it's been cooking in the crock pot for how long, honey?
A few hours.
On high, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he waited too late to put them in, so he had to. Normally he cooks on low, but this time he cooked on high. So this is what it's looking like here. Like I said, he trimmed the fat off and took the bone out, and it is
destroyed a perfectly good pork chop.
I done told you already, I like cooking clean, honey. Like cooking clean. That means no fat. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what else we're going to have with this. Okay, guys. The rice cooker has stopped. You can see that it is at 0. Now I'm going to turn this off and let you see everything. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to show you how we're going to mix it together and set it up. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I took the rice and vegetables out of the rice cooker and put it in the crock pot with the au jus sauce or gravy. And then here is the meat, all nice and tender and falling apart. Now let's plate this baby up. And there it is, guys, all plated up. We have the rice and the vegetables cooked in the au jus sauce from the Italian beef. We also cooked the pork chops in there. And as you can see, they're falling apart. Now tell me that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating.